everybody, it's me, Lucky the TurfMutt. Today, we're going to talk about biodiversity. When we say the word biodiversity, we're talking about the variety of plants and animals and the places they live. We're also going to find out how that mischievous carbon creep makes a mess for the outdoor powers. My human, Chris, is in Southern California checking out a family's yard so a pup can have a new home. Let's see what he's up to and meet some of my friends.
Wow, Amy, what a beautiful backyard.
Thank you.
It's wonderful. Now, I see you've got lots of flowering plants.
Hey kids, I'm Professor Botany, and I'll be telling you all about biodiversity and flowering plants today. In parks and yards, we want to have lots of different kinds of plants, trees, and grass, or biodiversity, so that we can provide food and homes for animals, birds, and insects. Flowering plants help our pollinator friends, birds, bees, and butterflies, by giving them food. The more of these plants we have, the more pollinators we can feed. I also spot a bunch of grass in their yard. Let's see what Chris has to say about that.
Lots of turf grass. One of the great things about turf grass, it's durable, it's tough stuff. You've got a climate-appropriate species here. This is right for Southern California.
In places like California, where they're having a drought, we have to pay special attention to the kinds of plants and grass we put in our yards. Some grasses handle drought better than others, kinds like buffalo and Bermuda grass. It's also important to remember that it's okay if your grass turns brown. It's still healthy. It's just turning off until it rains.
Here in an urban environment, this is absorbing carbon. It's producing oxygen. It's cooling. This has a tremendous cooling effect.
Like Chris said, grass does a lot of really cool things. My friend Green Ranger is here to tell us more about what he does.
Yep, that's right. Carbon creep struts around the atmosphere, puffing up his chest and increasing the greenhouse effect with every breath. He's one of the biggest causes of climate change, and it's my job to stop him. Me and my outdoor powers buddies fight off bad guys like carbon creep every day.
Yeah, that's right, you little ball of yard trimmings. Just when I start enjoying myself, he swoops in and captures me every darn time.
Wow, it looks great out there, Green Ranger. And nice job fending off carbon creep yet again. Let's review what we learned today. Biodiversity means the variety of plants and animals and the places they live. In parks and yards, we want to have lots of different kinds of plants, trees, and grass, or biodiversity where we can, so that we can provide food and homes for animals, birds, and insects. Grass traps villains like carbon creep, shares oxygen, cools down the environment, and helps keep soil in place. Thanks, Green Ranger.
Yes, another great yard. This yard gets 2 paws up. This pup will be very happy in her new home. For more lessons with Lucky and the outdoor powers, check out TurfMutt.com. We'll see you next time.